So the first thing that I'm going to do before I actually get into styling this wig is showing you girls what the hairline on this wig looks like. So this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you do not know how I do my wigs, girl, all of my wigs is a glueless install. So I don't do any glue for any of my wigs. So for this install, I like to use hairspray, and I like to pull out some hairs around the hairline, and I like to spray the spray like on the lace, and then take a edge brush and literally push some of the hairs into my hairline and like secure my lace that way, because it just keeps the hairline from being super crunchy instead of applying the spray directly on the hair. So anyways, girl, I'm going to do just that, and I work my way into sections doing this, and then I also cut the lace off like how you see me doing here. Okay, so I did decide to do a side part with today's install. Now you can see the stocking cap on this wig, but I'm going to show you girls how I fixed that, so don't even worry about it. Please don't come for me just yet, because I'm going to fix like that whole situation right there. This wig is transparent, so please keep in mind that it's definitely a clear see-through lace. So basically what I am doing here is really giving you girls the details and the close-up on this pre-plucked hairline. It looks so good, y'all. So I'm gonna clean up my sideburns real quick and get it to blend in with this hair, because it was really playing games at first, but y'all, look at how good it blends in with this hair. And this stocking cap is really about to blow me, so give me just a minute and I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so as you can see, the foundation definitely helped with blending the stocking cap into the lace, so you cannot tell as much with the lace and the stocking cap. And then also the lace blends into the skin so much better. It literally melts into the skin perfectly. And I also love the hairline on this wig. It literally melts into my skin like perfection. Honestly, starting off, I did not expect for the hairline to look like this, and I'm so glad that I did not give up on this wig and I just kept working with it, because this, I can already tell, is going to be a nice install just by the hairline alone. I'm hoping that the curls deliver the same way that the hairline did. So when it comes to defining the curls, I'm not really going to wet my hair starting off. I'm just going to use some hair mousse and see what the hair mousse alone does. Now this is 24 inches, and girl, I don't really know how I feel about it. It's a lot of hair, and back in my day, I used to wear a lot of long hair, but girl, this stuff just gets on my nerves. It is hot, like real hot. It's 100 and some degrees outside, and this is a lot of hair. So like I said, first starting off, I don't want to take away the fullness of this wig, so I'm just going to start off with hair mousse first and see how the hair holds and how the texture defines or whatever. And if it doesn't do what I need it to do, then I'll go in with water. So I'm just going to start off with mousse first. so far the texture is beautiful, y'all. I like this. Surprisingly, I did not have to use any water for defining the waves in this hair. The ends is a little dry, so I do think I need to go in with some water and conditioner and spray the ends because it is a little frizzy. So that's what I'm going to do right here and see if, yep, that's exactly what it needed because the mousse just was not doing it for the end. So it definitely needed a little bit more moisture there. But y'all, look at these beautiful waves. I'm here for it. Cute. Honey, so I am not mad. I am not mad. This wig actually turned out to be really cute, especially if you consider how this wig looked originally. I am not mad. So definitely check out Wiggins hair. This 24-inch 13 by 4 lace frontal wig really is a nice wavy wig. I think this will be perfect for the summertime, perfect for a vacation look. Just look at these beautiful waves, and I am so not a wavy girl, but the hairline and the lace on this wig and how it blends into my skin, oh baby, yes, this is what I need for vacation. So anyways, all the details will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye girls.